Assalamu alaikum everyone. Our today's topic is oral cancer. Here you can see the pictures of oral cancer. First of all, we will discuss what is oral cancer. An uncontrollable growth of cells that invade and cause damage to the surrounding tissues. Now comes oral cancer. Oral cancer appears as a growth or sore in the mouth that does not go away. Oral cancer, which includes cancers of the lips, cheeks, tongue, floor of the mouth, hard and soft palate, sinuses and pharynx. What are the symptoms of oral cancer? That includes swellings, thickenings, lumps, bumps, rough spots, crusts, eroded areas on the mouth, lips, gums and other areas inside the mouth. The development of a velvety red, white or speckled white red patches in the mouth, unexplained bleeding in the mouth, unexplained numbness, loss of feeling or pain, tenderness in any area of the face, mouth or neck, persistent sores on the face, neck or mouth that bleed easily and do not heal within 2 weeks. A soreness or feeling that is something caught in the back of the throat, difficulty chewing, swallowing, speaking or moving jaw or tongue, hoarseness or change in the voice, sore throat, ear pain, a change in the way your teeth or dentures fit together, dramatic weight loss. In these pictures you can see the white or the red patches. Here you can see the white patch, here you can see the red and white patches, here you can see the non-healing ulcer, here you can see the non-healing tooth socket. These are all the signs and symptoms of oral cancer. Who gets oral cancer? According to American Cancer Society, men face twice the risk of developing oral cancer as women, and men who are over the age of 50 will face the greatest risk. Now comes the causes of oral cancer. Smoking, that includes cigar smoking, cigarette smoking. Pipe smokers are 6 times more likely than non-smokers to develop oral cancer. Smokeless tobacco users of dip, snuff or chewing tobacco products are 50 times more likely to develop cancers of the cheeks, gums and linings of the lips. Smokeless tobacco includes pan, chalia, mawa, gutka, etc. Excessive consumption of alcohol. Oral cancers are about 6 times more common in drinkers than in non-drinkers. Family history of the cancer, excessive sun exposure especially at the young age, and human papillomavirus. What is the outlook for people with oral cancer? The overall 5-year survival rate for patients with an early diagnosis of oral cavity and pharynx cancer is 84%. If the cancer is spread to nearby tissues, organs or lymph nodes, the 5-year survival rate drops to 65%. How is oral cancer diagnosed? It is diagnosed through a routine dental examination. Dentists will conduct an oral cancer screening examination, and a biopsy may be needed to determine the makeup of a suspicious looking area. How oral cancer is treated? Oral cancer is treated the same way many other cancers are treated, with surgery to remove the cancerous growth, followed by radiation therapy and chemotherapy. Now comes what can I do to prevent oral cancer? To prevent oral cancer, don't smoke or use any tobacco products and drink alcohol. Eat a well-balanced diet and limit your exposure to sun. Repeated exposure increases the risk of cancer on the lips, especially the lower lip. When in the sun, use sunblocks, protective lotions on your skin as well as on your lips. You can take active role in detecting oral cancer early should it occur by doing the following. If you will conduct a self-examination at least once a month and see your dentist on a regular schedule. अगर आप लोगों को मेरी ये वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. थैंक यू सो मच.